How to access the Setup Assistant on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to get back to the iPhone Setup Assistant and start the setup process again. So make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap General, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap Erase All Content and Settings. Review the information on the screen, then tap Continue. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode and your Apple account password to turn off Find My and Activation Lock. Your iPhone will now erase all of your personal data, apps, and settings and restart automatically. Once it restarts, you'll see the Hello screen. Swipe up and follow the on-screen instructions to access the Setup Assistant. From here, you can choose your language and region, connect to Wi-Fi, set up Face ID and a passcode, and transfer your apps and data. Keep in mind that erasing your iPhone permanently removes the data stored on the device, so make sure you have a backup before continuing. And that's it. This is how you can access the iPhone Setup Assistant. So make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials.